Welcome back to Healthy Tips Tuesday. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your weight loss journey or someone who wants to take it to the next level, I've got you covered. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. And now let's jump right in. Hey guys, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that's worked for me with you. In today's video, we're going to go over putting coconut oil into your coffee and how this is going to accelerate your weight loss journey. So let's go check it out. On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week. So, first off, I just want to say I hope everybody is having a fabulous day and that we are waking up, drinking our lemon water, and we are being intentional about our weight loss journey. Today's tip is all about being intentional to start using coconut oil in your coffee. This is often referred to as bulletproof coffee. It's associated with several potential weight loss benefits, and I am telling you, I have been doing this for years and it works. It's due to its medium chain triglycerides, also known as MCTs. So let me tell you how I do it, and I hope it motivates you to try it out as well. So, like I mentioned, I've been doing this for years and it's so simple. All I do is I take 1 teaspoon or even half a teaspoon is going to get you the effects. It's going to increase satiety. What this does is it makes you feel satisfied and it helps you feel fuller for longer. The healthy fats in the coconut oil promote satiety, reducing the likelihood of snacking or overeating later in the day. And I promise you, it goes to work chemically inside your body and does it for you. The other benefit of adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into your black coffee in the morning is it boosts your metabolism. The MCTs in the coconut oil are known to be metabolized differently than other fats. They are quickly converted into energy, which can increase the number of calories your body burns throughout the day. I really hope to motivate you guys this week to challenge yourself to be intentional about adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into your black coffee. Consuming MCTs increases the rate of fat oxidation, the process of breaking down the fat for energy. Putting the coconut oil into your coffee can help your body utilize that fat more efficiently, supporting and accelerating your weight loss. Another great thing about adding the teaspoon of coconut oil into your black coffee is it gives you stabilized energy levels. The combination of caffeine and coconut oil provides sustained energy levels throughout the day. When I first started out with my weight loss journey, I had it all wrong. I had a horrible mindset. I was always thinking about what I couldn't have, what I had to deprive myself of, missing out, and that's simply not the case. It's more so having the mindset of looking at what to add into your daily meal plan to do the chemical reaction inside your body to get you the weight loss results you want. And that's what you're going to learn here at Healthy Days. All of my tips do not talk about taking something away. It talks about adding in, and you're never hungry, you never feel deprived, and there's always a way to get you the result you want. And if you guys are like me and you have a sweet tooth, this is one of my favorite benefits of adding the coconut oil into black coffee. It has reduced my sugar cravings by stabilizing blood sugar levels. This will lead to fewer cravings for sugary snacks throughout the day and help you to make healthier choices. I hope to motivate, encourage, and inspire you to start adding coconut oil into your coffee this week. Give it a try, give it a few weeks, and let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it. As always, thank you so much for checking out this week's video. I so enjoy hearing feedback from all of you guys and hearing how your weight loss journey is going. You don't have to feel alone. Be part of this community and we can go at this weight loss thing together. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't mind taking just a moment to give it a thumbs up, it really does help out my channel. And if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I offer so many videos talking about different weight loss tips. I have weight loss salads that you can make that are going to make you feel full and satisfied. And yes, they're delicious. I also have a smoothie sensations playlist that is full of weight loss smoothies where we challenge ourselves each week to make these weight loss smoothies and start incorporating them into our weekly meal plan. It's all about adding in, not about taking away. If you want to be part of this community, would love to have you, and we can enjoy our weight loss journey together. And remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency is the key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. I have them all linked in the description box down below. See you next time.